Hello guys, welcome once again to Sparky Media. In this video tutorial, we are going to be talking about the Heycash survey platform withdrawal. For those of you who have been making researches, how can I withdraw from Heycash and is Heycash legit or scam? In this video tutorial, I will briefly emphasize on what Heycash is basically all about, and then I will also show you guys step by step on how to place your withdrawal from Heycash. If you are a member of Heycash, you are participating in the survey in the Heycash, accumulating points, and you don't know how to place your withdrawal, in this video I will show you how it's being done step by step. All you need to do is to pay attention to this video, watch this video from beginning to the end without skipping any single line, because in this very video I am going to be showing you guys every steps you need to take. Okay, then before I proceed with this video guys, if you are coming across my channel for the first time, my name is Sparky, and what I do on this my channel, I share business tips, money making ideas, money making updates online on this my channel on daily basis. For you not to miss out any of my updates, all you need to do is to hit on that subscribe button shown on your screen and then turn on the notification bell so that to be notified whenever I release new videos like this. Okay, now in this video, before I proceed to show you guys how to place your withdrawal, I will briefly talk about what is Heycash all about, and then is it real or fake, for the sake of those hearing about Heycash for the first time and for the sake of those watching my video for the first time. Okay, so this Heycash is basically a paid survey platform where one can take survey for the purpose of accumulating points, which he or she can decide to convert to pounds or dollar and then withdraw to PayPal or gift card or dollar account. So this is what this platform is basically all about. It is a paid survey platform where advertisers want some review, want some feedback on their product, and they want to use it to enhance their product. So that is the reason why whenever you see some survey platform, it's never easy to earn money on survey platform. So if you are not learned, enough, you cannot earn money on survey platform. Do you understand? So you have to dedicate in your time, your effort, every single thing within you to make sure you accumulate as many points as you can. So that's it. So you can see when you see survey platform, they have survey here. They also have games. These games is available in some country, why is not available in some country. So they also have the game, and when you check, the game has the highest point. And then all these games you are seeing, they are also advertising game. They are also pay the platform to put it up there. Do you understand? So all these things you are seeing here is advertisers are the one sponsoring this Heycash platform. So without advertisers, I don't think if Heycash can stay. Do you understand? So that is it. So you can decide to play game, you can decide to take survey, anyone you are good at, depend on your country. So some countries are not supported for game, and why some countries are also not supported for survey. So it depends on your own choice. So let's talk about if it is real or fake. Before I talk about if it is real or fake, now let me show you how to withdraw. Now the minimum withdrawal in Heycash survey platform is £5. All right, so if you are earning in pounds, the minimum withdrawal is £5, and then you can see the point you are accumulating. The point you are accumulating, you can accumulate the point when you are taking survey, and you can accumulate the point either when you also play game, okay, or other task which one can do on the platform. So you can see the option of claim reward. So to know how much you have, your the equivalent of your points, so you can click on your point. So you can see that I'm having 0.96 pounds. Do you understand? So I'm having 0.96 pounds. So that's what this 1,300 points gives me. So which means if you're able to do survey, they have best survey, you can also accumulate that. Now if you want to withdraw, how do you do it? That's the question. So to withdraw, now you see this option of claim reward. Click on claim reward. So when you click on claim reward, you can see the option of PayPal International. So you can place withdrawal with PayPal. You can see that the minimum is £5. Like I said, they have £10. So anyone you want to withdraw, so that's it. Then they also have the option of Revolut. You can also use it to withdraw. They also have the gift card. Here are the gift card you can also use to place your withdrawal. Then they also have international rescue committee. So that's if you want to donate for all these charity purposes and the rest of them. So that's it. Then they also have bank transfer. So transfer. So this is either I think GBP and US dollar account, and then Great British Pounds account. So these are the things you can also use to place your withdrawal from Heycash survey platform. So you provide them with your details and then place your withdrawal. Then is Heycash platform real or fake? Okay, from my personal experiences from the platform, the platform is currently real at this year 2025, and like I said earlier, it is advertisers that put up their surveys. You do it, and that is the reason why it is called paid survey. So HeyCash is legit. Why do we say HeyCash is legit? If you are able to answer questions, you might get paid, you might get rewarded for your point. So that's why it's called paid survey. Then is it scam? The answer is no. Why do we say it's not scam? It is not scam because the number one reason we say it's not scam, number one, HeyCash does not ask you to invest any money. HeyCash does not ask you to deposit any money. So there is no any option like deposit or invest on HeyCash survey platform. So that is the reason why we say that HeyCash is not scam. They are not asking you to invest any money. So this is a survey platform like every other survey platform. You know, it is a paid survey platform where one can take survey to accumulate points, and then those points you accumulate for some time. You accumulate, you can convert them to pounds and then withdraw them to either your PayPal or the withdrawal method options I have mentioned so far, or the one the platform have provided, which you can see on the claim section. So that is what this platform is basically all about. It's where you answer questions, and you all know that survey simply means you giving feedback, sharing your opinion with people's product. So by so doing, you help them enhances their productivity. So that is it. Thank you guys for watching this video. I remain Sparky. If you have another question, feel free to comment below. Then if you're not in any of my WhatsApp group, I'll be leaving my WhatsApp group in the comment section of this video, so you can also use it to join my WhatsApp group for more updates like this. Thank you, and don't forget, there is love in sharing. As I've shared this video with you, also share it with friends and family.